Hey, Eric here. And today I want to go through some investing basics with you. And there are three kinds of strategies you can have when you're investing in the market. So let's dive into the whiteboard and I'll walk you through one by one. So most people actually know the first one already. So the first one is really a directional investing strategy. A long strategy, such as buying shares or you're buying options. And basically, what you're really expecting is price to go up. So you want the price to be going up. And I think most of us here, you don't really short the market. So when you focus on a directional strategy, it's mainly long. Now the second, that is less common strategy, it's actually a market neutral strategy. The market can go up and down and you can still make money. So another term for this is actually a long short strategy. So this can be done with shares and option as well. And this can be a simple combination of two stocks where you are long Apple and then you short Microsoft. So depending on the ratio between Apple and Microsoft, you can make or lose money. Apple and Microsoft might be going down together and you can still make money with a market neutral strategy. Most people here actually don't use or know any market neutral strategy. And for example, my monthly passive income strategy within Investing Accelerator is very close to a market neutral strategy. Now the third one, it's a little bit more common, but a lot of people use it without knowing, is event-driven strategy. And this is really usually like an M&A. So I think in 2022, there's a lot of technology stocks that went down and some of the bigger companies come in and acquire them, whether that is private equity funds coming in to acquire them or something like Microsoft acquiring Activision and Blizzard. So if you follow the gaming industry, then you'll know that Microsoft right now is currently trying to buy Activision and Blizzard, and then there's a set purchase price. So you might be finding a stock price that is less than the purchase price. So then there's some sort of arbitrage as long as the deal goes through. So those are really the three different types of investing strategies you have. During the 2022 bear market, you'll find that the directional strategy will struggle a lot, and market neutral and perhaps event-driven strategy will be making money. So what kind of strategy do you have? You can leave a comment below and let me know. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to learn more about my investing strategy, then click on the first link in the description below to join the free community. So you can ask me any questions you have, and you'll also get the free chart course 2.0. So I'll see you in the next video and have a wonderful day.